This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your Apple ID, email and password, and an internet connection. Once ready, unlock your device and open settings on iPhone or iPad or system settings on Mac. You do this because iCloud is tied to your device user account. Accessing the system settings is the direct route. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled if you plan to sync. Now tap your name at the top of settings to reveal iCloud options and account details. Once you open your account pane, tap iCloud to view everything linked to your Apple ID. You'll see storage used, app syncing, and iCloud services like Photos, Drive, and Backup. These toggles show what syncs. If you tap Manage Storage, you can see a breakdown and why space is used, which helps decide whether to delete backups or upgrade. Make sure to inspect iCloud Drive and Photos settings separately to confirm important files and images are preserved across. To finish, verify that the email shown is your Apple ID and confirm storage and sync settings are correct. If account info fails to load, sign out and sign back in. This forces a refresh but may resync data. Make sure two-factor verification codes are available on your devices. Enter them when prompted. If space is tight, use Manage Storage to delete old backups or change your storage plan. Troubleshooting tip: if sign-in keeps failing, reboot the device and retry to resolve transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.